Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nancy Badillo. I am a digital marketing specialist over the last 9 years. You can learn a little bit about me more by visiting my blog at nancybadillo.com. If this is your first time in my YouTube channel, welcome. And this video is to kind of give you a little bit of an introduction of what to expect on my YouTube channel. So I create tutorials and videos that I help other people that sell on e-commerce, especially in the platform of Etsy. I create Etsy tutorials. I also do Etsy critiques where I teach people how to properly do SEO, how to brand their business, how to grow their business using social media, how to use the right photos and product photography. So I do a lot of tips and tricks and things that you should know about Etsy and how to succeed with Etsy. I started my journey on Etsy about 2 years ago, a little bit over 2 years ago, but it first started with buying stuff for my wedding about 3 years ago. And I started noticing that a lot of people made a lot of money using Etsy. So I decided to create a case study for my blog where I would open an Etsy shop and see if I could potentially make money from Etsy, even though I wasn't really selling any tangible items or creating items. I was doing digital prints. I started actually by selling quotes on my Etsy shop. So the first year was a lot of trial and failure. I would look up stuff on YouTube. I would look up other bloggers. I would go to Pinterest to find ideas. And even though there was a lot of helpful articles out there, I felt like a lot of them was like fluff material. No one really gave you any tips on doing things. No one that did videos that guide you step by step. So I decided to go ahead and take it upon myself to create an Etsy channel where Etsy sellers could come in, learn more on growing their their business and for it to be successful the right way. So if you are an Etsy seller, you want to learn how to grow a thriving, successful business, this is the place to be. So if this is your first time watching my video, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the current videos. Make sure that you like the notification bell. That way you could get notifications anytime I do a new video. And most of all, make sure that you drop your name on the comment area with your link of your Etsy shop. I would love to see your Etsy shop and connect with you as well, because I'm trying to create a sense of community where we all help each other. I strongly believe there's enough room for everyone to be successful in Etsy. So if you feel the same way, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.